Here's how you can make $5,000 per month using Amazon. People are doing it and so can you. We're just going to go right into the video. The first one being selling private label products. So source generic products, add your own branding and sell them under your own brand name on Amazon. This method, known as private labeling, can be a lucrative way to establish your own brand and gain control over pricing and marketing. The second one is retail arbitrage. So buy discounted or clearance items from local retail stores and resell them at a higher price on Amazon. This method requires a keen eye for deals and a good understanding of product demand and pricing on Amazon. The third one is Amazon Handmade. So if you're a skilled artisan or craftsperson, you can sell your unique handcrafted products through Amazon Handmade. This platform caters to customers looking for one-of-a-kind and personalized items. The fourth and last one is Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP. So if you enjoy writing, consider self-publishing ebooks through KDP. It allows you to publish and sell your digital books directly on Amazon's Kindle store, potentially reaching a wide audience of ebook readers. So there you have it, guys. Here are 4 ways you can make $5,000 per month, and people are making more money and they're leaving their 9-to-5 jobs and making this their official job. You can do it as long as you put in some hard work. Now remember, while these methods offer opportunities to make money on Amazon, success will depend on factors like product selection, pricing, marketing, and customer service. Additionally, Amazon policies and opportunities may change over time, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest information from Amazon's official resources. If others can make money even more than $5,000 per month, so can you. It just takes a little bit of work and dedication, and you can do it. So get to Amazon, sign up, and start making that cash. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted every time that we upload. Bye!